Looking to enhance your Instagram account security on PC? Let's walk through the steps to enable login alerts. To begin, open Instagram.com in your web browser. Locate your profile from the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your profile to proceed. Next, click on the gear icon to access settings and privacy options. Then, click on See More in Account Center to explore additional settings. Navigate to Password and Security and click on it. This will lead you to a section where you can manage your account's security settings. Find and click on Login Alerts, and then select your account. This will allow you to customize the login alert preferences for your account. Activate in-app notifications to receive real-time alerts directly on your device. This feature will keep you informed about any login attempts on your Instagram account. By following these steps, you can enable login alerts on Instagram and add an extra layer of security to your account. Stay proactive in safeguarding your online presence and receive timely notifications to protect your privacy effectively.